Hello beautiful friends! Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, we're making Korean seasoned fried chicken. Clean the chicken first, then cut it. Cut the leg part slightly so it's easy to cook. The other part I cut it in bite size. For the last time, wash it with rice water, then soak it with milk for 1 hour to remove the smell of the chicken. Now, let's make a seasoning mixture by adding soy sauce, honey, sugar, chili powder, ketchup, chili paste, and minced garlic. Mix it all together well. Now go back to the chicken after 1 hour. Wash again and strain the water well. In a bowl, add the cornstarch. Get the strained chicken. Add salt and black pepper. Massage the chicken to mix it all and start to dip the chicken into the cornstarch one by one. Put it in the air fryer in 200 temperature and leave it for 30 minutes. If the air fryer is not available, you can just deep fry the chicken. In a pot, add the mixture seasoning and water. Mix continuously until it boils in a medium heat. It takes just 5 minutes to boil. After 5 minutes, it's boiling already. We can now add the fried chicken and mix it well for about 15 minutes in a low heat. After 15 minutes, it's done. Crush the peanut. Add the crushed peanut on the top. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!